for Julie. Here we go. These are the commands for the captains. Excuse me. Okay, so we start with makoko. That's makoko, not mau cow cow. It's makoko. And that is then followed by I. When you hear the ho'o makoko, it's not ho makoko, it's ho'o makoko. And it's not o makoko, it's ho'o makoko. And that's the formal that I told you about earlier. Then we have hoi hapai, hoi hapai, hoi hapai. Hoi is the paddle, hapai is to carry. So makoko, hoi hapai, and then of course I mua. See you later. Aloha. Bye. So the one last thing was I really wanted to make sure that everybody knew how to say I mua. Because a lot of times I hear I mua and there's no mu and there's no wa in I mua. It's just I mua, like mua. I mua, mua. That's how we say I mua. Okay, that's it. Bye.